We're going to read Snakes on a Train by Catherine Dennis. Snakes on a Train. For my brother, who likes snakes and trains. You know, your Uncle Stephen likes snakes too. The conductor takes the ticket as the snakes all slither on. The tracks are checked. The whistle blows. It's time to move along. Hiss goes the sound of the train. The train leaves the station. The gears begin to grind. The switcher pulls the handle and the cars slide down the line. Hiss goes the sound of the train. The brake snake stops the train. There's trouble in the back. Oh, look at that pig. It fell out. Silly pig. The flagger waves the signal flag. The train stays on the track. Hiss goes the sound of the train. The train is in a dark tunnel. It's dark as night inside. Hiss goes the sound of the train. The train races down the hill as the snakes pretend to fly. A view from high as fish swim by. Hiss goes the sound of the train. The day is coming to an end. It's time for snakes to find their den. As snakes slither off to sleep, the train rests for the night. Snakes wrap themselves in little balls and tuck their tails in tight. Goes the sound of the train. I love you.